Hi everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about swing hanging chair design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Hanging chairs are a great way to add some relaxation and fun to any space. The gentle swaying motion can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. If you are looking for a new and unique addition to your home, consider adding a swing hanging chair. Here are some swing hanging chair design ideas to inspire you. First, consider the style of your hanging chair. Do you prefer a modern or rustic look? You can find hanging chairs made of natural materials like rattan or wicker for a more rustic look, or sleek and modern designs made of metal or acrylic. Choose a style that fits with the overall aesthetic of your space. Next, think about where you will hang your chair. Hanging chairs work well both indoors and outdoors. If you have a covered porch or patio, a hanging chair can be a great addition to your outdoor seating area. If you are hanging your chair indoors, be sure to choose a sturdy location and follow all manufacturer instructions for installation. When it comes to color and pattern, the options are endless. Consider choosing a bright and bold color to add a pop of personality to your space. Alternatively, you can choose a neutral color that blends in with your existing decor. Patterns like stripes or florals can also add visual interest to your hanging chair. Finally, don't forget to accessorize your hanging chair. Add a cozy throw blanket or some decorative pillows for extra comfort and style. You can also add some greenery with a hanging plant or two for a natural touch. In conclusion, a swing hanging chair is a fun and unique addition to any home. With so many design options available, you're sure to find one that fits your style and space. So why not give it a try and see how it can add some relaxation and fun to your home? Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a swing hanging chair design ideas. Thank you.